Hi, it's Renee, your district manager. I just wanted to share a fun activity with all of you today. We have our Go to Grow event for this weekend, and I think it's a perfect time for you to start to go and grow your business with Avon. Here are some fun tips. I went yesterday to the dollar store in Walmart and spent about $10 on myself to grow my business. I bought a little bouquet of flowers from the dollar store, as well as these lovely little baskets and some little colored masking tape that I'll show you what I'm using for each one. Plus, I found these little trays for growing seeds, picked up a few packets of seeds that were in like a bundle for $2. And then around the home, I had some lipsticks and some fragrance samples, plus of course my business cards and any fun little supports like Beauty for a Purpose supports that could give my customers or my new team members some information about Avon. So here's what I did. Oh, and don't forget the chocolates. I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I went and I pulled apart the little planters. Took one of my little colorful baskets. You know, let's see, Sunday is May 1st, so these are great little May baskets. So I put the little planter inside of the basket, and then I put the information that I had about Avon in the basket, of course, with my business card attached to it. Then I'm going to put a package of seeds because this is a nice little special treat. They can plant their little seeds in my basket. Right? And I gave them a fragrance so they could smell the spring air of Avon, as well as a beautiful lipstick color for them to try. Right? So those are all really fun things. Oh, and don't forget the chocolate. All right? Nice little sweet treat for them. And then I'm going to hand them out and tell them a little bit about Avon. But along with that, I have my Avon spring bag. And you can choose any bag that you have for Avon. And I have my brochures. And my brochures say, sell products you love to the people you love. Join my team, and my reference code is on there. Or how about this one? Share me with a friend or take me to work because I want more customers. So I'm giving them a brochure with an order form in it. I'm also putting my extra income flyer in there so they have some information about how they can join Avon. And I'm giving them an Avon Can Help, a fundraiser flyer, because a lot of people aren't aware that we do fundraisers with Avon. So I want to build my business because I'm looking to make President's Club this year, and this is a great way to do so. So my flowers, I put on some of the pens I had around my home with a little bit of tape on it, so they can use this flower when I give them their brochure of information. There is a Post-it on it with a name, phone number, and email address. I'm going to have them fill that out for me, and then I'm going to take that Post-it note with me and give them the brochure with the earnings flyer as well as the fundraiser flyer and the order form inside. And then I'm going to follow up with them. Remember, fortune is in the follow-up, right? So this is a fun spring activity that all of you can do either by yourself, or you can get your teams together and grow your business together and have a little fun activity. Or maybe you want to split up the town a little bit and say, I'm going to take this section, you take that section, and kind of do that in that way. So again, I hope that you have fun. This is a really great activity and one that is very loved by a lot of people that you approach. So they're curious and they will ask for your business. Thank you again. Have a great weekend. Looking for some great growing and blooming results with your business. Bye now.